First at 6, a Tulsa man could be headed to trial for the death of only one of the 3 people killed in a Christmas Eve car wreck in 2009. Thank you for joining us. I'm Lori Fulbright.
And I'm Craig Day. It's another case affected by the Supreme Court ruling on tribal jurisdiction. News on 6's Emery Bryan is live with the story. Emery?
Well, years ago, Stephen Jamison pleaded guilty and went to prison for manslaughter for causing a wreck that killed 3 people. Today in court, his lawyer was again arguing that because he's Cherokee, the state cannot prosecute him. For the judge, it came down to when did he become an Indian? Stephen Jamison was able to hug his family and friends outside court today, just as he's done many times since 2009, when this wreck killed a family of 3 in this car. He was driving this car and was arrested for manslaughter. He was eventually sent to prison, but later released after a wide-ranging set of appeals, culminating with the tribal ruling that finally set him free. 2 of the 3 victims were Native, and he claimed he was too.
Of course, it's very emotional for us. We've been on such a long roller coaster ride for the last 12 years trying to get justice for the death of our children.
In court, Jamison's lawyer claimed he consistently held himself up as Indian, though he didn't get a Cherokee card until 2010, a year after the wreck. The state argued being eligible for citizenship wasn't enough to avoid prosecution. The judge ruled Jamison wasn't recognized as an Indian when the crime happened. It means Jamison can face a new state prosecution, but just for the death of Michael Mullinex. For the family, that's better than nothing, but they also know today's ruling will be appealed and Jamison could still avoid charges.
Mr. Jamison never claimed his Indian until it becomes beneficial to him. And that's what the court showed and was proven.
Jamison is a Cherokee citizen now, and with the potential for this case to set an important precedent, his attorney plans to appeal. Otherwise, the new manslaughter case against him would be starting next month. But with that appeal, of course, that timing is very unlikely. Reporting live downtown, Emery Bryan, Oklahoma's own News on 6.